just solve this cube with the white cross first, but I'm still not really fast enough to be stable sub 10. I gotta speed up, just turn and turn, double turn and flip. Use next level else for a little skip. Gotta step my game up with a new magnet, be color neutral and improve. Look ahead at the latest, greatest magnetic cube
and feed it with some awesome loot.
But I'm still too slow and my cube still gets stuck. The winter variations, but I'm out of luck. Spend all my paychecks trying to be as awesome as Felix and Dex. But I'm still too slow at cross and F2L. Have long recognition for my PLL. But myself with call.
That's another DNF.
While the others solve in overdrive. Gotta take back my AO5.
The guidance of the legend says I have to practice slow zone, and the legend is right. I don't wanna be a blockbuster with a CC. Gotta be fast like Max with the eyes of Konosinski. Like last slot to boost my stamina. I get thanks to the C-Fob in Mr. Jessica.
But I'm still too slow, it's like a boomerang. Gotta shave off seconds to be G-Hang Wang. And pointing finger tricks, trying to be amazing as Felix and Dex. And I'm still too slow across an F2L. Face summer variations and one look at L. But myself with call. No more failures, no more deja vu. Now I'm switching to solve with Rue.